Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to use the standard Bitergia dashboards to start getting insights from your data. By following this example, you'll be able to get insights from the community of contributors in your favorite project. Some standard questions when dealing with a community are related to the number of total contributors. When talking about community members, we often see data about the total number of contributors without paying attention to the ones that are currently active. In case you want to understand the dynamics of your community, you must be able to answer questions like: what's the number of newcomers in the last year? Are you having more new people coding or submitting issues or pull requests? Is the trend of newcomers going down? Besides having a look at the trend to see whether your community is able to keep attracting people, it is interesting to know who those contributors are in order to make sure that the onboarding process works properly. Who are the new members that joined the project in the last month? If you are able to answer this question, it'll be possible to track those new members that could be part of the next generation of your community. Now, let's see how one of my colleagues uses the Bitergia Analytics platform to get the metrics we need to answer these questions. So, let's start.
For having insights about the newcomers joining our community, we need to go to the Demographics dashboard. You can find it under the Community tab. If we scroll down a bit, we can see two different graphs. One showing people leaving and the other one showing attracted developers. As we are interested in looking at the new people joining the community during the last month, we need to select the right period of time right in the visualization. You can do so by dragging and dropping a time range or clicking on one of the bars in the chart. In this case, each bar represents 1 month. So let's click on the bar from last month. In this case, we have 6 attracted developers. You can see on the top on the dashboard that a new filter appeared on top. In this case, it's the field called Demography Mean Date. Let's pin that filter. Now we can track the activity from these 6 new people joining the community using the Git dashboard to see the code contributions they've made. Let's set the time picker filter to show only the last month. Now that we have more detail about the contributions that these newcomers have made during the last month, we see that they are not affiliated with any organization. This is why you see the unknown value in the organization's pie chart. We can filter by this unknown organization, then pin this filter and go to the Affiliations dashboard, where we will see links to these people's profiles where we can complete their affiliation information. Let's go to Community and then click on Affiliations dashboard. If you scroll down a bit, you will see a table named Authors, where you have links to the Hatstall profiles of these people. If you click on any of these, you will go to the Hatstall profile, where you can complete the affiliation information or merge this profile with other existing profiles in the identities database. And that's all for now.
Continue to the next lesson and learn specifics on how to use the platform. Thanks for watching.